How to get voice ID in Elevenlabs. Hello everyone, welcome to another Elevenlabs tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can get voice ID in Elevenlabs. So if this is your question, be patient, watch to the end and you'll learn how to do so. First of all, log in into your Elevenlabs account just like I've done here. And once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen where you can see a drop-down menu, which includes text-to-speech, voice changer, voices, sound effects, projects, voice studio, etc. So ensure you click on voices since you're trying to get the voice ID. So by clicking on voices, you'll be brought to the voices page. On this page, you'll see a number of voice actors. The next step would be for you to select the voice whose ID you'd like to get. By selecting the voice, move to the right side of the screen and click on the view option. By clicking on view, you'll see a detailed view about the voice. Then on the views page, scroll down to the bottom right corner. You'll see the option ID and then you see the option use voice. If you're on the upgraded version of Elevenlabs, you'll see the option delete voice as well. So where you can see the option ID, just click on it and just like that, the voice ID will be copied. You can see it displayed on at the top part of the ID option. So just like that, you've gotten your ID. So by copying the ID, go ahead and use it wherever you want to use it or whatever you want to use it for. So that is basically how you can get voice ID in Elevenlabs, and it applies to all of the voices that you have on Elevenlabs. So that is it. Thank you for watching everyone and practice what you've learned, okay?